Hi, I am Lady Lin and today I will demonstrate the Starfront stocking, a sourcing method where we analyze other successful Amazon sellers to find a profitable products. I will start by searching for a profitable product or category in Amazon. I will click a product and locate it to the sold by, so I'll be redirect to the seller's storefront. And now that I am in the storefront, I will analyze multiple listings and select a potential product. Now that I have selected a product, I will check and find a supplier through Google. So here, I found a website that sells the item for $11.99. The Amazon price is $28.49 and I need a supplier cost that provides at least $5 and up profit and 30% ROI. The profit would be 8.33, which is above $5, and here the ROI is also above 30%, which means it meets the criteria. As per checking the seller access, Amazon is not selling and the brand owner is not listed, which makes this product safe to sell. The product has 200 plus monthly sales and the BSR of 84K, which means it sells consistently. It has 6 FBA sellers and no IP complaints, and also not a private label. Since it meets all the sourcing criteria, I would approve this product or I will approve this lead for sourcing. And that's how I use the storefront stocking to find profitable products for online arbitrage. This method is effective for discovering new product opportunities by analyzing competitors' storefronts. Thank you for watching.